Hard work can beat talent when talent doesn't work as hard. Professor Details. Here at Highway 1 Details, I found a magical chemical. Well, I call it magical. Well, it's magical for light seats. In my profession, the auto detailing world, I've been doing this for around 8-9 years, somewhere around there. I was totally green when I first came into this industry. But one thing I've learned, light colored seats on the interior are like black paint on the exterior details. So you have to take extra caution on light colored seats, take extra steps and efforts in order to make the job and the results appear the way you want them to be and make the customer happy at the same time. On the outside, black paint, you need to treat it with a similar degree of cautiousness as well. I'm thinking this little stain, this little doozy of a booger is glue. So we're going to saturate the entire surface with the scrubbing bubbles. I advise putting it in a different bottle. Just this bottle splatters so much. I don't know why they made it that way, but it belongs in the shower, I guess, cleaning in there. But regardless of that, put it in a different bottle. Saturate the entire surface. You can't do just the stain. It's not going to come out right. And you need to do it in an inconspicuous area first. I know what these seats are like. I've done millions of them. So I don't have to test an inconspicuous area. I mean, really, you agitate it a little bit. I don't even think we needed the steamer or the fake-a-door. I call the Vortex the fake-a-door for, AKA Tornador. But regardless, I'm going to allow the cleaner to cook for a minute. And then I'm going to hit it with the Vortex, the air gun, with a little bit of lightly diluted interior cleaner inside of it, mostly water. I just do that to break it up, and it's kind of fun using the Tornador, or the Fake-A-Door rather. I'm going to go ahead and hit this and let it cook as well. Let it sit for a couple minutes. A couple minutes later. Hey, if you like what you see and what you hear, like, comment, and subscribe. Highway 1 Detail, Professor Details. Sorry for the intermission. Had to enter a shameless plug, but, that's how it goes. Let's hit it with a steamer. This right here is what's putting the nail in the coffin. The stain will go bye-bye and will not come back. We let the scrubbing bubbles sit, the shower cleaner, on the top of the surface. We agitated it. We used the Tornador, added some air to the fabric, and a little bit of lightly diluted chemical in the Tornador, Fake-A-Door. And now we're hitting it with the steamer on the hottest setting that it has. Once we do that, it'll be good and clean. Just wait and see. Wow. Highway 1 Detail. Put a stamp on it.